TikTok ads are here to stay, and today I'm giving you the secret formula to create high converting video ads that are made for TikTok. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm revealing 3 extra tips that will take your TikTok ads from average to pro. This secret formula is as simple as a hook, delivery, and call to action. For your hook, you need to captivate the audience within the first 5 seconds. The first type of hook that you can use is the problem solution statement. Here we have an example.
You know, when you go on a quick weekend trip to see your friends or family or whatever, and you don't know what to do with your dirty socks and underwear, and you usually just store it in a little pouch in your backpack, which is honestly pretty gross. Well, I fixed that situation. I just launched the Weekender 2-sided laundry bag. So basically what it is.
The second type of hook that you can use is to bring an unusual item. Here is the example.
This is LG's wallpaper TV and this is an iPhone. The crazy thing is this TV is mounted with magnets and it's actually thinner than an iPhone.
Whenever someone sees something unusual, they will stop and keep watching. The third type of hook that you can use is the Callout. Here is an example.
What's the best car for dog owners? In my opinion, it's the Honda HR-V, which is a really nicely sized crossover SUV.
As you can see, you're calling on a specific person to watch the ad. The fourth hook that you can use is the storytelling narration. Here is an example.
Some of LA's best tacos are made right here in this Highland Park backyard.
As you can see, the ad will be made in first person and you're driving the story with the main protagonist. And the fifth and final hook is the direct question. Here is the example.
What's the one plugin that you really want?
When you connect with the viewer and ask a question, you will set the tone for the whole video. Now that you have the person hooked, it's time for the delivery. This shouldn't be more than 25 seconds. Remember, you're creating content for a platform with a short attention span. Your delivery should be straight to the point, highlighting the emotions and pain points of the person instead of the feature of the product. Not to worry if you don't have enough time to explain the product in detail. The goal of the ad is to spark curiosity and then the person will click the button and learn more about the product. Finally, you should have a clear call to action or CTA. The only goal for this ad is for the person to visit the website, so verbalize on the video that they need to click the button to learn more. Now that you have the secret formula, it's time for the secret tips. The first one is to create TikTok and not ads. This is the main slogan of the TikTok marketing platform. So make sure when you create the ad, you are not reusing a video from a previous campaign on other platforms. Another tip is to A/B test the type of content that you're creating. In the beginning, I told you about 5 different hooks. What I would do is create 5 different videos testing each different hook to see what brings the best results. The third and final tip is to test recording from your camera versus a professional camera like a DSLR or mirrorless. You will be surprised with the results. Most of the time, what's different is what stands out inside social media. When people see high resolution type of video in a platform that they're used to seeing cell phone quality video, this ad will actually stand out. Just remember, if you will be using a professional camera, you will need to record in portrait mode for the TikTok ad. This means rotating your camera from this to this. In case that you don't want to appear on your own ads or you don't have a family, friend, or previous customer that wants to appear, you can use a service called Below App to find people that's willing to appear and review your products on video. You can even send them the formula that I just told you, and this way you will get the best results. If you want to learn more about TikTok ads, digital marketing, or e-commerce in general, go to heymeneses.com/toolkit to get all of my resources for completely free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.